Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the prerequisites: a compatible iPad and an app that supports split view. Once confirmed, open the app where typing is split and make the keyboard active so you see what's happening. Next, bring the second app into split view by swiping from the right edge or dragging it from the dock. This immediately reveals whether the split keyboard is system-driven or app-driven. Make sure to keep both apps visible while you proceed to the next step. Now you'll actively fix the split keyboard by using the keyboard controls. Tap and hold the keyboard icon in the bottom right corner. This exposes dock, undock, merge, and split choices. Choose merge or merge to full keyboard to reunite the two halves immediately. If merge isn't visible, first select undock and then dock to force the keyboard back into place. This sequence resets the keyboard layout and tells the system to use a single keyboard instead. Finish by testing typing in both apps to confirm the keyboard is now a single, full layout. Once done, make sure to force quit the affected app and reopen it if you still see a split. Sometimes the app process needs a restart. If that doesn't help, reboot the iPad to clear interface glitches, and as a final step, go to Settings, General, Keyboard to toggle keyboard-related options. If problems continue, restart and retry the merge/dock sequence. This resolves most persistent split keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.